Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to do motion tracking in Filmora 12. If you want to track any object, person or anything in the video, Filmora 12 has an AI feature that tracks the object frame by frame. So, in this video, I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. Make sure you stick till the end. So after opening Filmora 12, drag your video and media section. After this, drag the video to timeline. So, I have this video in which a person is running, and I am now going to track his face. To do so, click on the video. Here you can see some options for editing the video. Click on AI tool option. Scroll down. Here you can see an option for motion tracking. Click on it. Now here you can see a square box. Drag it to the object or person you want to track. You can also adjust its size. After this, click to start motion track. Now the AI is tracking it, and it will take some time. Now it's tracked, let's add a sticker on the face of the person running. To add anything on the tracked, simply drag it above the video we just tracked. Now adjust its size. Click on the video you tracked. Here in the link elements section, select the name of the clip you want to add in the video. In my case, it's this emoji, so I am clicking on it. Congratulations, now it's attached to the face of the person. Let me show you the video. As you can see how perfectly it tracked it. It's a very amazing feature by Filmora. So these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.